In this video, I'm going to show you how to add image signature in Outlook mobile app. Now to do this, you want to go to the top left and you want to tap on your Outlook logo, so just like this, and then you want to go to the bottom left to actually open the settings. You can find the settings wheel or cogwheel down there. Tap on that, and then in here, the second tab under quick settings is signatures. You want to tap on signatures, and from here, as you can see, I have a signature already. It just says best regards instant how to. And if you actually want to add an image as well, you can see at the very bottom there's going to be a few buttons just above my keyboard, and the first one on the left looks like an image. So it's this one over here. You want to tap on it, and then from here you want to just find, of course, the image, tap on it. So I have my signature over here. I'm going to tap on it and tap on done at the bottom, and just like this, as you can see, I've successfully added my image signature in Outlook. So of course I can also tap on it, and I can tap on resize, and I can now change the size of the signature like this, and then put it wherever I want. Tap on the check mark top right, and that's all you have to do. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.